Aloha guys, I'm here in Hawaii right now in Honolulu shooting at my friend's farm. Little sprinkles outside, it's quite beautiful. Today I wanted to talk about one thing in particular, and that is getting what you want out of life. Because getting what you want out of life is what's going to make you happy. You're going to have to go through shit along the way, but it's going to make you happy. You have to put it on the line. Put it all on the line to get what it is that you want. For me, that's what's worked best for me. When I just fucking balls to the walls, there's only plan A. That's how I've always got what I want. I'm like, I want this. I'll leave my car, my girlfriend, my job, I'll leave it all behind. Okay, shit. And then just end up figuring everything out along the way. That's what I was able to do with this video thing. Back in California, I just wanted to be heard and to be able to help people. And so I picked up a camera. Little did I know that it would lead into all of this. Now I'm all getting all cinematographer, graphics, just stuff. And you never know where things are going to take you. You know, I would have never guessed that I would be calling myself a cinematographer last year. Because I went from knowing nothing at all really about cameras to now it's all I do. And I really don't got to do much else. And I don't have to work that much. And the rest of the time I have is free time. And time to make videos, which I should be doing more of, and I will be doing more of. This is the start of something new. I'm gonna start being more consistent from here on out. Because I have the fucking time finally, which is so nice. Again, because I decided to put it on the line to get what it is that I want. And what I wanted was my freaking freedom. And it's only gonna grow from here. It starts with getting a few jobs here and there, eventually building it up. People hear your name more people hear your name, and then they start calling you for business. People are hitting you up for business. And then you're just taking off from there. Slowly you create more and more freedom for yourself. You buy yourself better gear, you get yourself a nicer car, you get yourself a sick new surfboard, and a sweet spear gun. You start getting into that stuff. There's only one way to get what you want out of life, and that's to go and get it. And let nothing else stop you or hold you back. You just go and get it. Simple as that. Other things come in your way, the little sidetrack option, blah, 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 blah. Fucking ignore them. You don't need those in your life. Stick to your path, stick to your guns, and stay true to you. Just hyper-focus on what it is that you want. And that's how you get good really fast. People start seeing your work, they're more impressed with you, people contact you for more work. Whether it be cinematography, health, fitness, maybe you're doing something with computers or this and that and the other. But it just comes down to building your skill. And the better you are at it, the more people are going to want you. For me, it was YouTube University all the way, baby. I've watched probably thousands of hours of YouTube content, learning all this stuff. YouTube University is the one for me. I don't need to go to school. It doesn't take me 6 months to read a book. I can teach myself way faster than anyone in the confines of a school could ever try and teach me. Having a mentor is really great if you got one of those. I kind of got one of those, but I don't have an official mentor, but I would love to have one. That would be kind of cool, so that I could ignore everything they tell me and just do my own thing. But no. That's the thing, is you take people's advice and you listen to it. You take little pieces that you want out of it, and then you ignore the rest, and then you do your own thing and make your life happen for you the way you want it to be. You know what? And maybe even the stuff I'm saying you don't even vibe with. It might not even work for you. And if it doesn't, that's fine too. But I know what worked for me, was just gun-ho, risk it all to get what you want. And for me, that's just life. It's the same with surfing. You know, if you want that wave, you're gonna get on that wave. But if you hesitate, you miss your chance, you're looking at other stuff, you're not gonna get the wave. You just gotta fucking full send it every time. That's how you get what you want out of life. The people who are the best at everything that they do are just a bunch of full senders. Full on sending. Tony Hawk, full sender. Elon Musk, full sender. Thomas Edison, thief, but full sender. jesselivnflow, full sender. That's right. You need to keep an eye out for those opportunities that come your way. You have to be able to recognize where they are, and also just kind of like go with the flow. Just live in flow, bro. You just gotta live in the flow. No, but really though, when someone invites you out to go to the bar, or you even go out to the dinner, or go here, go there, dude, like, just go. You'll never know who you might meet unless you go. And many times when I've just ended up places, I meet someone that wants me to work for them, or someone that wants to collaborate with me, or this and that and the other. Just keep stirring that pot, you know? Just gotta keep stirring that pot, and the luck will find you. And I've become one super lucky guy. I am quite thankful for how lucky I am. Yeah. I'm so lucky. The other day, I spent all of about 3 seconds looking for a 4-leaf clover. I was like, I'm gonna find a 4-leaf clover. Oh, there it is. Sweet, cool, 4-leaf clover. Posted it on Instagram. You might have saw it. Create your own luck, guys. And yeah, so I'm tired of preaching for today. So get the message, put it on the line, go stir the pot, get out there and make it fucking happen for yourself, because that's the only way. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. All that stuff really helps. I'll see you guys next time.